So I really wanted to read this article from Business Insider, but as you can see here, I'm stopped immediately at a subscribe page where I can choose to subscribe for $49, $79, or $1 with a monthly that will renew at $12.95 after the trial. And it's a premium article, so I have to be subscribed. Or so that's what they think. Now, upon opening the inspector and reloading the page, I was able to gain access to the preview article. As you can see, this story is available exclusively to Insider subscribers. Become an Insider and start reading now. This is just a tease of the article, and you still have to subscribe to read the rest. However, I was not particularly interested in paying to read one article. So I was curious to see how lax their security was, so I started going through their HTML to see if I can find the content I'm looking for. I type in the name of the subject, and I search there for main content. This is all metadata. So I look for actual paragraphs, headings. There's a heading. And as I dig further and further, I'm able to find actual article content at one point in time. And then from that article content, I then go on to find the locked content. So to my surprise, the locked content, all of it actually shows up directly in the markup with no authentication required for it to output here. Now, I could just go there and read it line by line, open up every paragraph and header, but I thought it'd be more fun and a lot easier to just write something that would print all of the content for me. So that's what I do here. I know the class name that holds the content, so we use a query selector to grab it. We use a for in to go through all the HTML children, and then if they have an inner text, we just console log it. And there is the entirety of the hidden content in the article. Now, I will also present a potential solution to this problem. So this is your UI. This is your website. This is your REST API. This is your backend. Now, when you want to retrieve an article, the UI calls for that article from the API. The API sends that data back to UI. UI displays. And this API is going to represent the entire content for the article. So when UI makes a call to this API, it retrieves the entirety of the article and sends it. There is no authentication check from backend, it just sends the entire article. So how you would do this is, if you want to tease an article with preview content, you break it up. You have a preview content, PC, and then right here we have FC. This is the full content. So what happens now is UI calls for this, but there is a check to see if user is authenticated. If user is not authenticated, preview content is sent back. If user is authenticated and they are a subscriber, full content is sent back to UI. That is just a very simple solution to this problem, for which there are many. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, subscribe, because I'll be back for more unethical web tips.